Welcome. We got Meal Mode Monday. Wasn't planned. It's open up your fridge. What do you got? And make it work. So we had cauliflower. That's good for the masses. Same with the mashed potatoes. And then you find that additional secondary vegetable. For us adults, we're gonna stick with a salad, and I could even show you a custom homemade salad dressing that I got on lockdown. That'll be a little special bonus. Kids, we got cucumbers, raw, peppers, bright, colorful. We'll slice that up, put that on the kids' plates, can put that in our salads. So it's trying to find all the foods that everyone can eat and do it in different ways a little bit if you have to. Keeping it consistent, chicken cutlets. It's just the backbone of what you're eating and what the youths are eating too. And then you can throw some sides with it. All right, we should probably start the potatoes up, right? The stove, we have our, what's that called? It's a white broccoli. Cauliflower. We got our cauliflower. This will take pretty quick, 10 minutes most likely about. Redo it, not most likely. We have our cauliflower. It's about 10 minutes. Right up our mashed potatoes. It's about 15 minutes to get our mashed potatoes, and you can also just keep it warm after. To go over how we cut the chicken cutlets, pat it, massage it, talk to it. We'll have a link below. Use a fork. Drop that chicken in. I usually use my hands, and it would equate to your finger becoming a chicken finger itself with so much breading caked onto it, and you would take it off the chicken. So fork's all you need. Get another bowl with the breadcrumbs. Homemade salad dressings, but how about homemade breadcrumbs? So we had some sourdough bread, went a little old, and what you do is you cut it up, cube it up, little cube size, put it on a drying rack for about a day, 2 days, stick it in a blender, garlic powder, onion powder, a little paprika, a lot of garlic, a lot of onion, can't go wrong. All right, pan's warm. Let's get the coated with some olive oil. Look at that. We've had basil sitting in the fridge from some other meals like pasta and pizza. So this was a decent sized package, got some left over. It's delicious for a salad dressing. This is probably the best part of a salad even. Is this salad dressing or is this immunity building? That's what you're gonna ask yourself after you eat this with all this garlic in it, I tell you now. Go a little, not all the way through. Go like 3/4, 5/6 through, right? Go a long ways with the grain of it. And then we're gonna go. How are these potatoes looking? You really can add as much garlic as you want, because then you can just keep adding more honey to counterbalance the strength of that garlic. You got the honey and the lemon. Next, let me get this in. This is probably more than you would typically use, but I'm just gonna finish off this container. Yep, so throw some of it in for the salad. Take the rest here. Now we can start getting the juices in, which is your lemon. Throw half a lemon in that. Olive oil, white wine vinegar, a little Himalayan sea salt, cracked pepper. Oh, honey, so good. Good honey too. Last, we got the mustard. Now we're just gonna literally just mix it all up. See how it tastes. If it needs more of one way, add more of it. If you want more sweet, add more honey. Want more zest, add more lemon. I don't think anyone's gonna want more garlic at this point. All right, give it a little taste. Maybe a little more honey, but it's good. It's hard. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to pull out the salad spinner tonight. I wasn't sure this was gonna happen. kind of last minute thing, but I was talked into it, and I'm just so tired of wet salad. So we're gonna spin this. I never use this. I try my best to buy the pre-washed lettuce because I hate washing lettuce. I feel like it's always wet, ruins your salad. Restaurants have nice crisp lettuce. How do you get crisp lettuce? Let's see what happens. We're good, look at that. Beautiful. It's probably close to 8 to 10 minutes each side. Try and go for about 20 minutes per cutlet batch here. Almost ready on the last round. It's good. Mashed potatoes. Butter. You need butter. The essentials. A little olive oil into it. More salt. Milk. Got what we got in the house. A little sour cream. As you start smushing, smashing, mixing it all in, you can gauge if you need more. We're good. So with the salad, your carrots, you can take care of carrots however you want. We got the peeler out. We're gonna keep it easy. Easy chewing on these carrots. No one's gonna lose any cavities on these carrots tonight. Denture safe salad. And that's what we're doing, making salad. Salad's good for you. Gotta make yourself believe like you're healthy, so you eat a salad. Then you pretend like you're headed in the right direction, and everything's better because you got salad. Homemade dressing, lots of basil, lots of garlic. We're just gonna dump it all in, mix it up. So you got leftovers, you got kids' food set up for tomorrow, and you got lunch for adults. You know, this is good. It's hard to not eat this as it's all done, but I'm gonna put it down, walk away, and let it cool down, pack it up, and make some more meals out of this after.